Hello students, I am Chelmareddy. Welcome to CR Maths Quiz. Previous class we have discussed set, Cartesian product, relation, function, domain, codomain, range, and image, pre-image. Now I am going to discuss types of functions. One function. One function, other name is injection. Remember it. Okay. A function f maps a to b is 1 if distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. Different elements of A have different images in B. Then the function f is called 1 function. Okay. Now I am going to take one example. There are two sets. See here, A set, or suppose 1, 2, 3. Three elements are there in the A set. Same as B set, I am taking A, B, C as well as D also. Okay. Now observe that F is relation from A to B. The relation is like this: 1 comma B, 2 comma A, and 3 comma D. This is the relation. So this relation is function or not. If it is function, it is 1 or not. I am going to verify. First, draw the Venn diagram. Draw the Venn diagram. Now observe here. This is A set. This is B set. And in A set, what are the elements? 1, 2, 3. In B set, A, B, C, D. F is relation from A to B. So here, observe the relations. 1 to B, one relation. 2 to A, another relation. And 3 to D, this is one more relation. So here, observe that every element in the domain A have distinct images in B. One having with B only one relation, two having with A one relation, three having relation with D, only one relation. So this is 1 function. So no, 1 function or injection, we can say. So this is 1. Now I'm going to take another example, that is G function. G is relation from A to B. 1 comma A and 2 comma B, 2 comma B and 3 comma C and okay, we can do 3 comma B, we can take 3 comma B. Now here, draw the Venn diagrams, then you can understand. This is A set. In A set, what are the elements? We know that. In B set also. Those elements I am writing here. 1, 2, 3. Here, A, B, C. This is D. Now observe the relation. 1 to A. Next 2 to B. Next 3 to B. Here, see that 2 and 3 different elements but having same image. 2 and 3 different elements. G of 2, that is equal to B, and G of 3 also having same image. But what is the definition says? Different elements of A have different images in B, but 2 and 3 are different elements but having same image. So in this case, this is not 1, not 1. Students, are you understood? Only two examples I given. This is 1, this is 2. Okay. Now, in mathematically also we can say A1, A2 belongs to A. These are different elements. See, A1 is not equal to A. Then their image is also not equal. Then we will say that the given function is 1, 1 function. This is mathematical definition. Okay, or another form, A1, A2 belongs to A. Both are different elements. And if f of A1, f of A2, their images are equal, then A1, A2 also equal. A1, A2 different elements in the A set. The elements are equal means their image is also equal. Students, are you understood? These two we can write in mathematical. I think first one, are you understood? Second one, little bit confusedness. Follow the reverse method. If the elements are same, their image is also same. If the elements are different, their image is also different. Okay. So what is the definition? Distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. Different elements of A have different images in B. Then F is called 1, 1 function. Okay. Now, how many number of 1, 1 functions are there? How to find? See here, one formula is there. Already we are given two formulas. This is third formula. Number of relations, number of functions already given. This is number of 1, 1 function. In A set, n of A having R elements, n of B having n elements, then the number of injections, that means 1, 1 functions from A to B is NPR. P means permutation. That is, I will discuss later. Okay. So here the condition is R less than or equal to N. Number of elements in A set is less than or equal to number of elements in B set. So in both the sets, same number of elements are in B set, we can take more number of elements. Then only possible 1, 1 functions. If n of A having more number of elements than n of B, in this case, number of injections, that means number of 1, 1 functions is 0. Directly we can say. In the A set, for suppose 4 elements, n of A, there are 4 elements, and n of B, only 3 elements. Here see that 4 is less than 3. So here we can say number of 1, 1 functions 0. Number of 1, 1 functions 0. And here, what is NPR? NPR means P means permutation. This is second year concept, but I will discuss the formula. NPR. What is NPR means? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. First of all, what is factorial? Factorial means product of natural numbers. Or suppose 3 factorial. So starting onwards, 1 into 2 into 3. Product of 3 natural numbers. How much, students? 6. 4 factorial. Product of first 4 consecutive natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 24. Do the product. Okay. And so on. Here I am writing 0 factorial. That should be 1. 1 factorial. That is also 1. 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 1 into 2. That value should be 2. Now finally, what is n factorial? N factorial means product of n natural numbers. 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on up to n. This is factorial notation. Factorial notation is not exist for negative values. -1 factorial, -2 factorial cannot be exist. And here NPR condition when it is exist means n greater than or equal to r and n greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0. Or we can take 0 also, but n we cannot take 0. But here n and r are natural numbers, positive integers. Okay, students. Now I am going to discuss 2-3 problems in this model. So first see here, first problem, what they are given. In the A set, how many elements are there? 3 elements. In B set, 3 elements. First write here, n of A that is equal to 3 elements. N of B, 3 elements. N of B also 3 elements. Now we need to find, so at least we need to discuss 2 problems. What is L? L is equal to number of functions from A to B. Number of functions. Number of functions from A to B. What is the formula, students? Tell me. Number of functions that is equal to n of B whole power n of A or not? N of B whole power n of A. That means 3 square. 3 square value is how much? 9. But see the options. Where is the L value is 9? In first option. This is the correct. Okay. And M is there. M means what? Number of 1 functions from A to B. Number of 1 functions from A to B. So here M is equal to number of 1 functions. 1 functions. What is 1 function formula? Already given. NPR. That is the formula now. A to B. So that is equal to n of B P n of A. This is the formula. N of B, how many elements are there? 3 elements. P. N of A, 3 elements. 3P3. What is the formula? 3 factorial by 3 minus 3 factorial. 3 minus 3 means 0 factorial. 3 factorial value is 6. 0 factorial means 1. So that answer is 6. We got M value is 6. But here M value is 9. M value is 16 given. So by observing both the relations, L value is 9. M value is 6. By observing this, we will say first option correct. And here students, I am written mistake. By mistake, I am written 3 square. I thought n of A value is 2. So this is 3 now. N of A value is 3. 3 cube, how much students? 27. 3 cube is 27, not 9. So first option is wrong. Which option correct? Third option correct. By mistake I am written. Okay.